Hi, my name is David Carman. I'm the President and CEO of Business Network Chicago. We're one of the larger networking organizations here in Chicago for business professionals. We run a number of face-to-face groups, and two of those groups are what we're going to talk about a little bit today, the BNC Venture Capital Group and the BNC Tech Pitch Group. This is the second part of our series on how to raise capital. When any entrepreneur comes into those two groups to raise capital, we want them addressing three major areas. And last week we talked about the first area, and that was what's the investment opportunity? How is a prospective investor going to make money if they invest in your company? Today I'm going to talk about the second major area, and that is your management team. Why is your management team qualified to execute on what hopefully is this wonderful looking opportunity? And there's four criteria you want to look at when you're assessing your management team. The first and most important, in my opinion, is are they coachable? Do they listen? If they think they know everything there is to know about successfully running a company, you really don't want to deal with them. You want somebody who's going to genuinely collaborate with you. Being an entrepreneur is a lifelong learning experience. Key number two is, have they been an entrepreneur before? Do they understand what it is to be in this space? Working for a startup is very different than working for corporate America. Number three, do they have domain expertise? If you're developing a software in the healthcare industry, have you worked in the healthcare industry before? That's going to give you a leg up on your competition in terms of understanding your competition, the marketplace, and who the main players are. And number four is, are you totally committed? Do you have your own skin in the game? In other words, have you invested your own money? Do you have sweat equity? Have you invested your own time? And are you totally committed? This is the only project that you are working on and you are totally committed and passionate. So those are the four criteria when it comes to assessing your management team. Next week we're going to talk about the third and final area. Before then, please check out our website. Look up our BNC Venture Capital Group. The URL is BN Chicago, one word, B for business, N for network, Chicago, bnchicago.com/BC. See you next week.